Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how we can solve Wi-Fi not showing problem in Windows PC. So this is very quick and easy guide. You can solve it with some simple solution. Without waste any more time, let's begin the video. So at the first we have to check this is a software issue or driver issue. So to check that, click on the search bar and now type CMD. After that, hit enter. After the opening command prompt, simply type here ping 127.1.1.1 and after that hit enter. So wait a second, and if you are getting the reply, that means you don't have any hardware issue. Your Wi-Fi driver is working fine. After that, close it the command prompt and now come to the next solution. Come to the search bar again and type services and click on it. After the opening the services page, simply tap on the W to come to the W section and now find WLAN auto config option and click on the right click, go to the properties and click on the starter type. Have to check starter type is not on disable it. So if you find it disabled, then select automatic, click on apply. After that, click on start and after that hit on OK and now close it. So after that, hopefully your problem will be solved. But if you are still facing this issue, then come to the next solution. Restore your network setting. So to do that, come to the search bar again. Simply type run, and after that, in the search bar, you have to type inetcpl.cpl and hit enter. And from here, you will get the advanced option in the top right corner and click on it. And now click on restore advanced settings. After that, click on apply and hit OK and close it and come to the next solution. Again, click on the search bar and type CMD and right click on it and select run as administrator and select is yes from here. And in the command prompt type here net sh winsock reset and hit enter. And now type the second prompt net sh int space ip space reset space log dot text and simply hit enter. And now close the command prompt. And now come to this next solution. Click on the search bar again and simply type run. In the search box, type misconfig. After the opening system configuration, click on services tab and you have to simply disable here all option and now enable it again and click on apply and then hit on OK. And now you need to simply restart your PC, and after that hopefully your problem will be solved. But if you still find that issue, then follow the next solution. Update your internet driver. To do that, come to the search bar again, search device manager. After the opening device manager, double click on network and adapter. And here you can see your network adapter. If you are not getting your network adapter here, then simply click on view and select show hidden devices. And again come to the network adapter and double click on it. After that, hopefully your network adapter will be visible. And now right click on your network adapter and select update the driver. After that, select search automatically for driver. Close it and your driver will be updated. After that, close it. If you still find that issue, then come to the next solution. Restore your system. Restore your system file and settings. To do that, come to the search bar again and search control panel, and from the view mode, click on category and then click on large icon, and here you will get the recovery option. Simply click on it and now choose the second option, open system restore, and here you will get some steps to restore system file and settings. Follow it and simply recover your system. The restart, you can see my Ethernet icon is visible and internet it's working fine. So I hope you enjoy the video. Hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.